Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be doing a very short video on how to change those puddle lamps in the side of your wing mirrors from those halogens to LEDs. Because the problem is you can't just change them out with like your standard T10 bulbs, because they're a sealed unit, so you do have to get an aftermarket one. So I'm going to show you those, and we're going to try and see how quick we can make this video. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so these are the bulbs in question right here. So it's an LED conversion for the Ford Rangers, your later models with the puddle lamps that sit inside your wing mirrors. These are the exact same ones that go in like the Mondeos and stuff, I'm pretty sure. And the reason you can't just change the bulbs inside of them is because they are a sealed unit like this. Now, to do this job, all you're going to need is a small pick tool or a very thin flat screwdriver. And what you're going to do is you're going to come around to the wing mirror here. As you can see, this is the clip side, and then there's a little pin there. So you get your tool, you push it in like that, and then you pop down at the same time. And then the old one comes out, and then the old one. There we go. There we go. And then the old one comes out, and then you've got your two pins. So the black's obviously going to be your negative, and the white's your positive, which is very important for your LED bulbs. It's a bit difficult for one hand. Give me a sec. So yeah, for LED bulbs, it's very important that you know which one's positive and negative, because unlike halogens, where it doesn't matter which side it completes the circuit, LED bulbs are polarity specific. So this is what you're looking at here. So you can see it's a completely sealed unit, and that's the bulb in there. So it's a bit more difficult to just change the bulb over than it is the entire unit. It can be done. You can open these up and change the bulb, but you do risk breaking things, and for the cost of those, you might as well just change the entire thing. So we grab our new one. What we do is come back around, connect up your pins. It's very difficult one hand. Alright, so you click those in, positive and negative. As you can see, that's nice and bright down there. It's a bit hard to pick it up on camera, but it's a lot brighter than your factory ones. What I'm going to do is just tape up those connections there, because they're a little bit exposed, and then we'll stick it back in. So now it's all taped up. I'm going to grab it, stick it so the hook pin is on this side, find its location, and then that pin goes into its locating slot and just clips in, and job done. Make sure that sits in there correctly, and then you just do the other side exactly the same, and you've just upgraded your downlights. Alrighty guys, like I said, that was a super quick installation of some puddle lamps for the wing mirrors of your car. I did, some of you might have seen in the video, it wasn't completely clicked in properly. Don't worry, I did fix that. It's just a little bit hard to do it with just one hand and one hand on the camera. But they're all sorted. All in all, probably took me about 2 minutes to do each side. No, more 2 minutes to do both sides. That's how quick and easy this installation is. And that's including taping it up, removing the old one, putting the new one in, etc, etc. So, very good quality of life and modernizing your car, that modification. And it probably only cost me, I think, about $17–20 and about 2 minutes in total of installation. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd like to thank all my subscribers that are coming on board. Thank you very much. I'd like to give you all a shout out, but you're mostly on private, all of you guys. But thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.